So this time of year, you have to deal with lakes turning over. And what that means in general is during the summer months, we have warm water in the upper half of the water column, we have cold water on the bottom half. That area where the water changes temperature drastically is called the thermocline. And that establishes during the warm water summer months, the fish usually sit at or above the thermocline in the upper part of the water column. But as we get into turnover, this time of year, mid-October, the lake literally flips over. So the warm water and the cold water on the bottom turn over, and now we have a complete lake that is the same temperature from the top to the bottom. It confuses fish for about a week during the fall months, just because now they can go anywhere they want with good oxygen, good water temperatures. It takes about a week for it to get done, but once it does, those fish establish their fall areas, those steep break lines along those points. And with that being said, that's when the fishing gets really good. It's right after that turnover. So look for that on your lakes. If you're right during the turnover, it's going to be tough, but once it's complete, then fish are going to start eating, and that's where we're at right now.